Look what we've got. Yep, this is our first fruit of tomato. Did you know that there are over 10,000 species of tomatoes? Yes, there are. And this one specifically is called the beefsteak tomato. And yes, it is very beefy. As you can see, it is plump. We would call it a salad tomato in Jamaica. So yes, this is our first fruit from our tomato plants. And yes, we are gonna be digging in. We did dig in and it was wonderful. And did you know that tomatoes are great for your heart? Yes, look out for our feature coming soon on tomatoes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.